Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps for Firestick with content for grown-ups only, if you know what I mean. And the first thing you gotta do is get an app called Loader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. So just go to search on your device and start typing the loader in the search. And as you can see, the loader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on the loader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you got the loader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. And to set it up, you gotta go to settings, so click on that button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do that for 7 times. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for you right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. From here, you just locate the loader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. You open it, and there you'll find the loader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on your line, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, you can also get a Vanish VPN, which is also a really decent service. And we do have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video. So it's up to you, it's either NordVPN or IPVanish. And now let's use the loader safely. So we open the downloader application on your Firestick or Android TV device. Then here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, you click on Home, and then here in the search bar we enter the code. So the code is going to be 285356. So once again, it's 285356. That's the code you have to enter. Then you click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now you just click install and wait for the app to finish installing on your Firestick. And then after it's installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you save yourself some free space on your Firestick, and that's really important because by default your Firestick does not have too much of free space on it anyway. And then if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, you'll find the Spicy app that we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe online. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.